Tired of seeing customers abandon their carts because of clunky payment processes? In this video, we'll show you how to integrate Apple Pay into your WordPress website, creating a seamless and secure checkout experience that can boost your sales. First, you'll need a WordPress website with WooCommerce install. If you don't have WooCommerce yet, install it now. Navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Now, search for a plugin that facilitates Apple Pay integration. A popular option is the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, which seamlessly incorporates Apple Pay. Once you find the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin, click Install Now and then activate it. After activating the plugin, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click on the Payments tab. Here, you'll see Stripe options, including Apple Pay. Make sure Stripe is enabled. Click on Manage next to Stripe, and you'll be taken to the Stripe settings page. Here, ensure that Apple Pay is enabled. You may need to connect your Stripe account if you haven't already. Now, your customers will see the Apple Pay option at checkout, allowing them to pay with a single touch or glance. This reduces friction and increases conversion rates. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Apple Pay into your WordPress website. By streamlining the payment process, you'll not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also drive more sales.